Skip, I selected you as a speaker for this event for our leadership working group, which is some 40 to 45 senior leaders in ITS, because I knew we needed work on communication. We are working on becoming one ITS and focusing on delivering services, eliminating the silos, and communication is critical. I also had a very high recommendation from somebody I respect on my team who had heard you speak. So we had a couple of phone calls, and in those phone calls I realized that you had some pretty good messages that my team needed to hear. One of the things I wanted to achieve is to really increase awareness of the need for communications, and your approach on the 7 deadliest sins of communications helped to do that in a very pragmatic way. I'm doing skip level meetings right now with the people that report to the senior staff that reports to me, and I just met with someone this morning who said he really got a lot out of it in terms of day-to-day pragmatic things that he can do and being able to put himself in someone else's shoes and see how he comes across to the people with whom he works. So I believe that the session did achieve what we wanted it to achieve. And furthermore, we had a lot of engagement with the folks that were there, some of whom do not usually engage. I think long-term, it's going to help me achieve one ITS. And because I would say the biggest block that we have to that right now, we definitely have culture change, but culture change can be addressed by communication.